Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is fenugreek seeds and its anti-diabetic properties which heals pancreas and boosts insulin production. Fenugreek is an annual plant. It's a member of bean family. It's native to the Middle East and Near East and is widely used in the Indian subcontinent. It has small round leaves. There is even evidence that the ancient Egyptians understood the benefits of this herb since its seeds have been found in tombs, particularly of Tutankhamun. This plant is grown in countries around the globe, but the majority is cultivated and consumed in India. According to USDA, United States Daily Allowance, fenugreek contains a variety of beneficial nutrients, including iron, magnesium, manganese, and copper, as well as vitamin B6, protein, and dietary fiber. It also contains antioxidants, powerful phytonutrients, including choline, trigonelline, yamogenin, goitogenin, dioxygenin, tegogenin, neostegenin. Most of the health benefits of fenugreek are due to the presence of saponins and fibers in it. Phytonutrients in fenugreek seeds and their features. Galactomannan is a polysaccharide present in fenugreek gum. It shows prebiotic properties, means it stimulates the growth of healthy bacteria in the gut. 4-hydroxyisoleucine may have anti-diabetic properties, reduce inflammation, and improve blood cholesterol. Saponins support the immune system, decrease blood thickness, and improve blood cholesterol levels. Flavonoids and polyphenols are natural antioxidants that reduce inflammation, may fight off cancer, and have antibacterial properties. Medicinal uses and health benefits of fenugreek seeds. For centuries, fenugreek seeds have been used in many different ways, both in cooking and in traditional healing doctrines. Although it's a bit hard to pick a single medical use to highlight, fenugreek galactogogo action surely deserves some extra attention. In other words, fenugreek seeds can increase the production of breast milk, and this effect was confirmed by recent studies. Additional health benefits of fenugreek seeds. Number one, may alleviate painful menstrual cycles. In 2014, a study was carried out to see if fenugreek seeds could help with menstrual pain, and they do. In a group of 101 women, half of them received 3 capsules with powdered fenugreek seed daily during the first 3 days of menstruation, and half received the placebo. Women receiving fenugreek experienced less pain, shorter duration of pain, and way milder systematic symptoms, that is, headache, nausea, lack of energy, etc. No side effects were seen whatsoever, and that's all so great. Number two, may prevent or treat gastric ulcers. Fenugreek seeds have been used as an anti-ulcer natural remedy for centuries, and modern studies just confirmed that's a wise approach. Animal studies reported that fenugreek seeds may be more effective than omeprazole, a conventional anti-ulcer drug, in preventing gastric ulcers. In 2017, a massive Indian study confirmed this benefit and explained that most likely this is based on the high content of flavonoids and saponins that act as antioxidants and regulate the acidity of the gastric juice. Number three, protect the liver from toxins and free radicals. Dried fenugreek seeds extract was able to reduce liver cirrhosis, soothe inflammation, calm down local enzymes, and generally protect the organ from ravaging free radicals activated by a toxin. This action seems to be effective in cases of alcoholic liver damage too, and almost as effective as the conventional hepatoprotector silimarin. Number 4, may boost testosterone level and increase sperm quality in men. In 2017, a study reported that a fenugreek seed extract with a high content of protodiocin, which is one of the main saponin component of the fenugreek, was able to improve free testosterone levels by 44%. Also, 85.4% of the participants showed improvement in sperm health, suggesting that fenugreek seeds could be beneficial for male fertility. Number 5. May help in preventing blood clots. Fenugreek have been reported to decrease blood coagulation in a dose-dependent manner. In other words, the more fenugreek you take, the thinner your blood will be. This could be beneficial for people with high cardiovascular risk to prevent the formation of blood clots in the heart, which is a common cause of heart attack. Number 6. May prevent and fight cancer. Most likely, this has something to do with the antioxidative properties of the spice, but research shows fenugreek can also slow down the division of cancer cells and even kill them too. Laboratory studies reported that this effect of fenugreek on prostate, pancreatic, and breast cancer. Number 7. Help with acute and chronic inflammation. Animal studies confirmed that fenugreek seeds effectively reduce both chronic and acute inflammation. It seems that this effect is based on the action of the spice flavonoids and polyphenols, which are powerful natural antioxidants. Number 8. Kills several types of bacteria. The flavonoids present in fenugreek seeds can suppress the growth of such bacteria like E. coli, Salmonella typhi, Staph aureus, all of which can cause severe infections. Number 9. May help in preventing diabetes through multiple pathways. Fenugreek has a long list of anti-diabetic properties. For example, studies reported that it can directly reduce blood sugar levels, heal damage to the pancreas, boost insulin production, and show an insulin-like action as well. Potentially, this could mean that fenugreek seeds may be useful in both preventing and treating diabetes. How to use fenugreek seeds? The easiest way to reap the potential health benefits associated with fenugreek seeds is to use more of this spice in your cooking. If that's not enough and you still want some extra fenugreek, try brewing yourself with fenugreek tea. Put 3 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds in a cup of boiling water and let the tea steep for about 10 minutes and enjoy 3 times a day. Last but not least, make sure that you share this useful information with your family and friends and for those who really in need. Thanks for listening and have a nice day.